The stone interior design, where nature's raw beauty meets modern sophistication. From majestic marble to rustic slate, stone interiors offer a unique combination of natural texture, charm, and strength that never goes out of style. Stone interior design is all about grounding your space in the beauty of the natural world. The intricate veins of marble, the earthy texture of sandstone, or the cool sleekness of granite add layers of character and depth. Each type of stone brings its own story, creating a design that feels both luxurious and deeply connected to nature. Let's start with flooring, perhaps the most common use of stone in interiors. Stone floors, whether in marble, travertine, or limestone, exude sophistication. Their durability ensures they stand the test of time, and their natural cooling properties make them perfect for warm climates. Pair polished stone floors with rugs to balance their smooth finish with warmth and texture. Next, stone walls. Imagine a living room with an accent wall made of stacked stone or a bathroom enveloped in smooth, light-colored travertine. Stone walls bring depth and texture, making spaces feel cozy and grounded. Even a single stone feature wall can transform a room, adding a rustic charm or a sleek, modern vibe, depending on the stone type. Countertops are another iconic element. Granite and quartz countertops are staples in kitchens, celebrated for their strength and elegance. Marble, though more delicate, is a timeless favorite in both kitchens and bathrooms, prized for its veining and luxurious finish. These materials not only look stunning but also withstand daily wear and tear, making them as practical as they are beautiful. When it comes to fireplaces, stone reigns supreme. From the rustic appeal of a stacked fieldstone hearth to the refined elegance of a marble mantel, stone fireplaces serve as focal points that radiate warmth and charm. They're a perfect way to introduce stone into your design in a functional and striking way. Color and texture are key considerations. Stones range from creamy whites and cool grays to deep blacks and earthy browns, offering endless design possibilities. Textures vary too. Smooth, polished finishes give a refined, modern feel, while rough-hewn surfaces add a natural, rugged touch. Combining different textures and finishes creates visual interest and balance. Stone isn't just for large features, smaller details can make an impact too. Stone sinks, tabletops, or even stone-tiled backsplashes can add elegance and character to a room. For outdoor-inspired interiors, natural stone is often paired with wood, glass, or greenery to create spaces that feel organic and inviting. Lighting plays an important role in highlighting stone's beauty. Natural light enhances the texture and veining, while accent lighting can emphasize stone walls or countertops, showcasing their unique patterns and colors.